Alright, there's the date and time on my iPhone XR. In this video, we're going to ride the elevator here at the Cafe Hollander, the Corners of Brookfield, in Brookfield, Wisconsin. And as you guys know, I'm still here with Alex.
Okay.
I'm going to take a ride in this elevator. It's an older Schindler 3300. And it's right here. So now, we're going to get in, ride up to 2. It's interesting on this elevator they labeled the parking level as lower low instead of P. And it's that floor passing chime. And 02. Which seems to open up into like the mezzanine
Let me
level.
go ring the bell, hang on.
Okay, yeah, you do that. Might have to wait for it to close. That's got a lower pitched chime.
It's burnt out.
Oh, it is? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, let's now get a cab view. It's a pretty nice elevator. There's Alex.
Hello.
Although this is kind of low light in here.
Those lights were actually replaced not too long ago.
Really?
Yep.
Other than that, just typical Schindler 3300 cab.
I think the one up over here used to flicker like all the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was always going to be a seizure.
Yeah, well, good thing I went to the hospital and took care of it. Anyways, here's your key right there. Here are your fixtures and your phone. And now we're back down at the lower level. Anyways, there it goes. And that's going to be it.